Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have pepper shrimp. Oh, this is right there.
You don't even say let's start eating because I'm not talking because I'm hungry.
Oh Lord. Pepper shrimp with some sausage, beef sausage, and some egg, okay? Now, we have some rice on the side, and that's just for presentation. Did I
tell you about rice? I'm not eating like first lady today. I can't deal with that right now. I'm starving.
Oh my goodness. So, I hope you guys are having a great day.
Oh, so cool.
Remember, I have the gloves because, thank you baby. I don't like how my hands smell. My hand, it'll take hours for the smell to go away. No, I'm not stoosh, but I am stoosh.
What we got? Lobster shrimp? we are eating prawns. A prawn and cob?
No.
This is the ghetto prawn. This is not the big ones. But it's a pass though, family. But I'm just gonna eat today.
You want some sauce on the side?
You want to?
No,
yeah, we're gonna do that.
You think so? Okay, give me back.
Look at that. I'm gonna talk to the family till you come back. Family. Long day, family. Starving, you know. Yeah, did y'all want some? I don't know. Y'all didn't say nothing. I want to offer y'all some time. You don't let me say nothing. No? You gotta talk to me. Yeah. There you go. Beautiful. Look at that. First, I know to make something. Wow. Where is it? I miss you.
Okay, so I couldn't find a small container. Who knows where it is, so I put it in this one. This is just to have some extra sauce on the side. If the hubby wants it.
Yeah. I love this sauce. It's my favorite sauce. I told you that you give me the rice, you know.
Why you keep on eating it?
That's busting me. This is good. Wow. I asked them if they wanted something. They answered, but.
Grab my hand.
Wow. I love mukbang.
I have to drink some water so I don't get a hiccups.
I ever tell you I love mukbang?
Shit.
Watch Thursday, y'all. Don't forget.
Wow.
I don't know what the first lady got planned for me. But whatever it is, I appreciate it. First lady brought personal and money.
You broke money. I'm broke.
Why every time you eat something, it goes the wrong place? It goes everywhere. It goes in your eye, but it don't go nowhere else. You get what I'm saying?
Always goes in your eye. This right here, these shrimps are sweet.
Yeah.
They're sweet.
Nice too. That's how you enjoy it? Wow.
I feel, you know what? I have the gloves on.
Whatever you feel like you. Your damn.
So Richie was asking me to make this today, right?
Please time.
And I was telling him, okay, so He said to me, I said to him, I don't think there's a lot of shrimps. And he was like, yes, there is. And I was like, because you gotta understand, my husband is greedy. You guys know this, right, ma'am?
I ain't greedy.
So to me, there's a lot of shrimp for me and Tamia. You know, Vincent don't really fussy seafood like that. But for Richie, me, and Tamia, there's not enough. That's what I go by.
More than enough.
But yeah, there was more than enough.
Y'all see this, family? It's a lot.
It's a lot.
Sometimes, first day I don't see good. What she say? It's not a lot. I'm thinking it's like about 10 shrimps. Family. It was a lot.
Richie's greedy.
I'm not greedy. The family member said I could just eat with my belly whole.
Well, that's true. Your belly can't hold enough.
For everybody that birthday's in April, shout out to y'all.
Aw, all the Aries.
Shout out to every one of y'all. No? Respect. Oh. This is good.
Thank you, baby. This is Richie's favorite sauce. This is the sauce that he absolutely loves.
My favorite sauce. Yeah.
But this sauce is not a dipping sauce. You cannot make this into a dipping sauce. It's too salty. And it's so funny because it's not salty now. But if you eat it by yourself, like if you dip it, you have to put half of the ingredients. But when you're making it like this, you have to use the same amount.
Delicious.
Which is weird.
Wow.
So what I did was, I did half of it so that it's not so salty. If you haven't, ooh, the rice is so good.
I told you that rice is good right now. I should give me more.
And you want the rice?
I told you should give me more rice.
The rice is really good.
That shrimp head is good.
Why do you think people are afraid to eat the shrimp head? They like suck the shrimp head.
I don't have a clue.
All the flavors in the shrimp head. All of it. But like I said earlier, these shrimps are very sweet. I like these shrimps. The shrimp with the tail, with the head on, they're sweet. They have a sweetness to it. I like that. One of these are farm raised, or are they, you know what I mean, like man-made. You know there's man-made shrimps out there. I don't care what nobody says. You can't tell me different.
Family. Good story. One time, I went fishing a long time ago. And family, I bought mad live shrimp. Mad shrimp, family.
Wow.
Didn't catch one crap.
Is that when you first started making fish? I mean, like fishing?
I just started, yeah.
You just started fishing. You didn't really know too much.
I didn't catch one crab, family. I said, wow, okay. You think I'm gonna waste my shrimp? Family? Came home, freeze them shrimp. Next day, fry them crab. Fry the hell out of them. Shrimp ain't cheap.
For real.
So that's when we go fishing. We want to catch a lot of fish, family.
To make up for the bait. You want to catch enough that you at least, if you were to go to the store and buy fish, it'll add up how much you spend or more in bait. If you buy more bait than you're catching fish, you're losing. That's why we try to go there for the whole day.
Yep.
And catch as much fish as we can, you know, with the limit that they give us per fish, right? So we can see, you know, our money's worth. If we're going there, if we're going all the way down to the Keys, Tom and family, and we buying bait, $60 worth of bait, $60 worth of bait, $30 to $40 in gas, and gas price is expensive now, so $50 in gas. That's $110. And then we gotta buy food. Yep. So we spent $150.
Make it a trip.
Make it a trip. Why would we go down there, Tom, to go catch 3-4 fish? You mad?
No family. When my first day fish family, I be so tired sometimes we gotta stop and sleep. But when you're fishing, I won't be tired. But we make it a trip, family, so we just don't drive down there for nothing. So if you ever been to Florida, and you know you live in Florida, you know Key West is deep.
Deep in the gully.
So we gotta make a. Okay.
So if we catch like 40 fish, remember each fish has its own limit. Right. And then there's some fish that doesn't have a limit. So if we catch like 40 fish, if you were to do 40 pounds of fish, no, 40 fish, but some of those fish are like what, 2 pounds? Okay, honey?
You can make my food, Mario. So got that, Mario.
Some of those fish are like what, 3 pounds? You know? And if in the store, they're like $8 a pound. So you times 40 times, let's say average 3 pounds, and you times that by $8, yeah. You're damn right. We're coming out on top. It's worth it. It's worth the drive. Because sometimes we go locally, and we spend $60 in bait, you know, $20 in gas, so we're at $80 now. And we'll catch 0 fish. Or we might catch a couple of fish. It's not worth it. But when we go to Key West,
we catching fish.
We know we're catching fish because we can move from bridge to bridge, location to location. You know? So, it's worth it.
We love the water, but we don't like going on a boat. When the first time they go out there, your brothers will be chilling.
You ever over there? I'm glad you made these shrimps too.
I told you, we ain't got no shrimp. Fam, as you can see, it was a lot of shrimp, and she said they didn't have no shrimp. You see that?
I came from work and made this. Because Richie and I both work today. So.
Yes, first lady work.
Sometimes.
When she feel like it.
It didn't even take that long to defrost. It's like fish. Swim around. Yes. It doesn't take that long.
Water is so good. I need to go to water fast.
Honey, I thought you said you was gonna do a day of water fast where you don't eat nothing or drink nothing except for water.
Can I do that, man? Margarita.
You can't do one day? I think you can do it.
I can't do it. I'll be hungry. Wow.
Right. See how ready it is? I'll make a mess, but.
I show you, man.
You did it ready? Wow. You move fast, man. Wow. This is good. I'm glad I made it. It was pretty easy. And then I had all this stuff in the house already. I had the shrimp, I had egg, I had sausage. I didn't feel like putting no corn and potato. This doesn't need anything else. It doesn't even need the egg or the sausage, but I just threw it in there because we had it, right? You can make it however you want. It's like a boiling crab sauce, but better.
Okay, you want to talk, alright? Okay. Enjoy my shrimp. I said it's spicy though. Pepper.
Okay, pepper? From the sauce?
I think so.
Or in a shrimp head?
Whenever you put the pepper in. Probably, when I hit that bed tonight, oh my God.
It's over. I'm tired too.
I'm drawing gear like I'm driving truck. Tired, family. Rough week. Look at that.
I can't decide if I want to use my hand or the spoon. But it's okay. I can use both.
Move where you feel.
That's what I did.
I got to dip that in the sauce and suck it back in.
What? What are you saying?
Dip that right back in and do it up again. This is good, fire. If you are shrimp lovers, I wish I could taste it. You full? It's about that time.
Let me tell you something. If we had any more shrimp, it would have been too much shrimp. My husband is right. Yes, my love.
I told you it's a lot of shrimp.
My husband is right.
And there's still more shrimp left.
Buddy, it's not that much shrimp left.
You tell me, oh, it's not enough shrimp. I said, what are you talking about?
It's true.
That was a lot of shrimp and they big. I said, if we eat like 10 of these shrimps already, we're already full. I ate like about 5 shrimps already.
Honestly, I don't know how much I ate, but I know.
I ate like 5, right, family? Yeah, family know I ate 5. Comment down and tell me how much shrimp I ate.
They lying to you.
I'm gonna trick y'all now. If I reach this far, comment down how many shrimps I ate. Yeah, let me see. You don't know, because you're not watching. You don't know? First thing I trust in y'all.
They watch.
Comment down how much shrimp I ate.
I haven't made this in a while either. Pepper shrimp.
When you comment down and tell me how much shrimp I ate, y'all get a shout out. Okay? You ready for it, Eddie? Okay. Friend dog me.
Richie wanted snow crab and king crab. I said, you're mad? No, so we can't afford that.
That's what I feel like. It's my birthday week.
I said, we can have something else. And he said, what about the shrimp that's in the freezer? I said, oh, okay, that's better. No, so we can't afford that money. Not no money. I do miss king crab though. I would love to get it, but Costco, they want $400 and something for a case. It used to be Costco's king crab legs. No lie, used to be $230.
They're tripping, son.
$219, then $230. Now after the pandemic, they start going buck wild.
They're wild.
Yeah, sure is wild. Now it's like $429. No, sir. And then now I bet you those king crab legs are even smaller, but they charge you $400 or something.
Too deep.
Everything is COVID. It's annoying. Aren't you guys tired of hearing that now? Prices are high because of COVID. We can't get your furniture because of COVID. You know, we can't deliver to you because of COVID. It becomes annoying now. And I get it, but I don't want to hear no more.
I heard there's a next pandemic coming. I'll be watching the spiritual channel. Yeah, and they said it's about doing food shortage.
Yeah.
It's an A word. Avena, some crap. Oh, I gotta try to get more off of the thing, crap. The tea people watch. Family, that was delicious though.
I am full now. Ooh, see that?
You put it on the last one.
Sorry, my love.
How wait for
See
you?
that? My hand is nice and clean. Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. Nice and clean. Now my hand won't smell like seafood for a whole day.
This is good.
Ooh, smell good. Smell good. Touch the bottom of this glass. Look how dirty my glass is. It's crazy.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I forgot to tell you guys. So yesterday, when I did the Eat Like Richie, oh my goodness, if you only knew. It was horrible afterwards. I felt so bloated. I felt so heavy. I felt like I wanted to shit up myself, vomit. It was too much.
First day won't make that shit.
What? You know you're annoyed. It was too much, family. I don't know how he does it. I felt so uneasy. I can't do that challenge again. You mad?
All right.
I'm good.
That was good. I enjoyed this. Next beautiful dinner. All right, family. Oh my gosh! Subscribe. We forgot to tell you. No, we don't have to tell you that anyway. We don't have to tell you that. We don't have to tell you that. All right. A quick word, you know, it's a wisdom I'm giving you, but AKA encouragement. Okay? You ready for this one? Family, listen. Viewers, y'all can listen to if you want. Okay. 97% of the people who quit too soon are employed by the 3% who never gave up.
Ooh.
Wisdom, but it's like encouragement. Yeah, listen to me.
That
Want me to
is
say it again?
true.
Want me to say it to you again?
That is true.
Tell them again, First Lady?
Yeah.
Family, listen up. 97% of the people who quit too soon are employed by the 3% who never gave up. I know you understand that. Right? So if you feel like that is true, Pastor Richie, you did it again. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.